Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am with the new video about the Leica total station TS09, and today my video is third video on the reference line, and the reference line we will discuss about the segment. So we will stake out today segments, and there in the instrument we have a 4 option to how to draw the segments. One is a none mean we can decide by ourselves some segment division, and second is with the start. For example, we have not an equal distance, so we can irregular distance only put in the start option, and the second is the equal, we can divide this length with the equally, and the fourth is not an equal distance, we will divide in the first and last point, and in between all points we will make a equal distance. For example, here I have a paper, and here I'll draw a one line, and this line I'll by name I give the 2 points only. The first point is number A and second is the number B. So I measure on the side already the 2 points. The 2 points between they have a distance 5.49. So for example, if I use the first option, that called is the none. So none mean this line I can divide, I can make a segments whatever I require. For example, I need each 1 meter, so I can make it each 1 meter. So on the last point only remaining 4.49 meter. So if I use the second option mean if I use for example each segment distance is 1 meter, so for my first segment is 1.49 and then all is 111 meter, and the third option is the equal. So what will instrument do? The instrument automatically divide in the 5.49 in the equal distance. If my segment required is the 1 meter, then he will divide the equal. If my segment requirement is a 2 meter, then also the instrument automatically divide in the equal distance. And the fourth option, what is the remaining? For example, I decide 2 meter, so I will leave it 1 meter, same as it before. So 1 meter mean, so I can divide in the 5 segments, and remaining is 4.9. This 4.9 is half is I think 24.5. So this first segment is become a 245, and last segment also distance in 1.245, and other all segment is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So that is the way how we make a segment with the total station like a TS09 plus. So here we can go with the instrument how we can mark. Okay, here I am with my instrument like a TS09. This is the first display when I power on. Actually there is already dark night, so there is some problem with the lights, but I will try to be my best. It will be finished early. So here I have a program. I'll go to program, and there I have a 4 option of the pages which I explained already in my previous video. We can change from the here, and also whatever requirement we will simply put on the click on the reference page. It's appear the page on the display. So there is a reference line is the first option. Simply we can move, or you can see there is a writing 90102. We can simply click on the keyboard. If I press 9, I can go the reference line, and the reference line there is a next is a description. Define the reference line, stake out and check the points relating to the lines. This I already explained in my 2 previous videos. So here is the configuration. We can set the job and set the station setup and the start. So job, I don't need to set new job. I already explained how we can make a new job. So simply and also I don't mention any station setup, so I'll only measure 2 points from the side and make a segments. So at the moment now I'll simply press F4 for the continue. So what I will do, I have a 2 option. One, I measure already 2 points on the side. As you can see, this 2 red color spray, and the second one is there. I already measure like same what I measure in my previous video. So here I have a same 2 points. So I will find these 2 points and use as a reference line. So what I will do, I just simply find the number 1 point. So I'll press F4 key. and find for the, I'll write first the point number which I need to find. So I'll press number 1, press OK, and then F1 for find. So here I have a 2 points. One is fixed. Fixed mean what I give the values, and second is measure. Measure mean what I observe from the site. So I did not give any value, so I did not go to the fixed point. I just go to measure, because just a moment before I measure these points. So what I will do, I'll press F4 for the continue, or otherwise also we have an option. If I need to view the value of these coordinates, here is the value. As you can see, I measure these points, same today date, and at the 5 goes to 20 minutes. So now is the 5 to 29. So it's mean I already measured these points 9 minutes before. So I'll simply press F4 for the continue, and then again continue with the F4. So I have 2 points, point number 1 and point number 2. So that is my reference line. Okay, so about the grade, measure points, take, we already discussed in the previous videos. If you have any question, you can check my previous video regarding these 3 methods. So today I'll go with the F4, and then in the F3 key we have a segment. So I'll press F3, or simply I touch on the display. So I'll enter the segments. So line segments, we have already with these 2 points. The instrument show me this line segment length is the 5.49 what I measure there. So now he asked me what segment, which length you want to mark. For example, which I explained, I want to each segment in 1 meter. So okay, so automatically instrument give me 6 segments. Why? Because the length is 5.49. So he give me equally 6 segments. So only he said show me the second last 0.49. So if you go to the last option, there is a distributions. So if we go to the none, we have only 1 is the last one. So if I go to equal, if I press equally, then you see on the top we have no 5 segments, and each segment length is 1.098. And if I go with the start points, so my then instrument automatically change the segment numbers into the number 6, but my first segment is the 4.49, another all equally goes to the 111 meter. Okay, and then if I have one more option, this is the start and end. In this case, instrument automatically change the segments number 7s. So first and start points are he divide in the different, but other segments all equal to 1 meter. So I can do any experiment. For example, I can make it equally. So if I put the equally, then I have to go F4 for the continue. If you see the key number, there is F4. So I'll press F4. So here I have a first point. That point name, point ID automatically come in the number 3, because I already make the reference number 2 and number 1. So my next number is number 3. So the first point, first segment, as you see, is number 3 and length is 1.09. I can change with this key as you display. If I press on this one, the segment will change number 2, number 3. I can change also from here to touch this display. I can change as you can see. Otherwise, I'll use my keyboard and change from the here. For example, if I need to mark the first segment, simply I bring the first segment, and then I'll bring this HZ in a 0 degree and 0 minutes. So after that, I'll measure my site. As you see my non-prism and my laser already on, and you can see on the ground. So after measure the focus the point, if you have a prism, you can use the prism, but now I'm using the non-prism. And then what I will do, I'll just simply press F2 for the distance. So I'll press F2 for the distance. So it's showing me I need to go 39 centi away from the instrument. So I'll go 39 approximately. and then I'll press F2 again for the distance. Now I need to 25 centi again because I'm just hitting the ground. I did not measure anything. So again I'll press F2 for the distance. So it's mean I need to 5 cm more. So now I'm almost reached on my required distance. As you can see on the ground, here I have a first point, and there is the second point, and in between the first segment is the laser location is my first segment. That is the way how we can make the equally segments with the Leica total station TS09 plus.